What's up YouTube? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how we make over $100,000 per year sealing pavers in our pressure washing business. So stay tuned to the end if you want to start sealing pavers. If you're brand new to the channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications. That way you're notified every time that I upload a brand new video. Also, please like this video. This is going to help boost it into the YouTube algorithm. And anybody that's looking to start a business to make some extra income to feed their family, this is going to help boost it to them so that way it can get more views and help out a lot more people. Also, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about starting this business. This is something that I've been doing for over 10 years, and it's a really good business that I highly recommend. So let's jump into exactly what is sanding and sealing pavers. This is a big business right now that's really growing, and this is when any customer of a homeowner has pavers installed onto their house. Here in Florida, basically every home is standard with pavers in the front and as a back patio. So here in Florida, it's a very, very common business, and everybody that I talk to around the country, these are starting to be more and more popular, right? So people are getting brick pavers installed into their home, back patio, or their driveway. Now, when you're a homeowner and you own these pavers, you're gonna have to have these maintained yearly, adding in fresh sand and then adding in a fresh coat of sealer over top, so that way everything is nice and protected and you're not seeing all of those flowers and weeds growing through the cracks. Everything looks nice and good and it doesn't get as dirty as fast. So there's a huge industry around this, and a typical back patio like we're looking at here could cost $1,000 to $2,000 to resand and seal. So you can see how the money adds up really well. Now keep in mind, you do have to add in some cost for your equipment, right? So your pressure washing equipment to pressure wash it, and then also the sealer, which is pretty expensive as well. Now, if you have a pressure washing business, this is something you can easily add into your business to make an extra $1,000 per day. If you're wanting to solely just do the paver cleaning, I'm going to tell you exactly how we get our jobs and how much profitable it really is. Now, as far as getting jobs for this business, you want to run some sort of advertising. I know a lot of guys in the industry that get a lot of work through Facebook ads, and I help with that. If you're interested in that, send me a message at 843-888-2371, or you can book a free strategy call with me in the link in the description. I'll use my personal ads that I use to make over $100,000 per year and put them into your business so that way you can make the same. Now, besides running Facebook ads, yard signs are really good. Just putting paver sealing and your phone number. I use Using Marketing. I'll leave their information down below. You can check them out. They have a special for $100 for 100 signs, literally $1 a sign. You can put them up. Super good. And then I also use door hangers. These are really good as well. Going door to door to different homeowners and putting in a door hanger or knocking on their door and letting them know that this is something that you can offer. So I highly recommend this type of business. It's really good profit margins. And again, you can make several $1,000s per day. Now, this doesn't even come into account with commercial jobs, things like that, where you can make well over $20,000 to seal a commercial building like an apartment complex who has a paver driveway. So this is a really good business. We started adding in this business and we saw our revenue really take a huge profit. So I recommend for anybody that's wanting to start a pressure washing business, think about paver sealing. As far as getting into the training and doing the right equipment, there's a lot of free videos on YouTube, or check out some of the Facebook groups for a in-person training.